do that tomorrow.
Marcia, he came down topless.
Topless.
Just, yeah, do you know what I mean? And it's not a particularly frightening sight. Yeah.
Well,
can I just explain to everyone here, so we haven't explained this. Last night, interesting, Burga, show them the colour of your top actually, Burga, stand back up. No,
yeah, come on, you've got to, you've got to.
It's yellow, right? Not sure the relevance of it until you hear the story. 1:30 last night, our buzzer goes off, and goes off quite a few times, and go downstairs. I think it's just piss kids.
Man of the house steps forward first. Yeah, do the
Yeah,
right
obviously,
thing.
yeah. I mean,
yeah. Did you have a rifle or a gun or anything like that? We just went down. You weren't concerned?
no, I wasn't actually. It was. I've got a samurai sword.
Ah,
Which I didn't take. No, I didn't. No.
You didn't.
And Tom said it. I was looking for it. Right. But Tom arrived behind me.
He found something special.
Right. And Tom obviously, yeah, we'll get to that now. He was looking around his room. Usually has a hockey stick.
Yes.
But he didn't have that, so he comes down with part of a Hoover.
A Dyson Hoover.
In times of need.
Because if you were a burglar, you'd go, fuck me! It's a Hoover! Run for your lives, guys! He's got a Hoover!
Times of desperation, it calls for just
Did you have the lights on? Because you might have mistakenly said, oh, that must be the samurai
Topless,
sword.
it was the topless bit with a bit of a Hoover.
Yeah. You keep like, you don't turn lights on, you don't make anything which makes them think you're aware, you're awake and you're coming down. You keep your lights off, you grab something.
Is that what you used to do?
But what was giving you away? Hey, what was giving you away was the constant.
That's what scared them off.
That's why he wants to legged it.
That's what sent.
And you see,
It was the vibration.
Dice.
It was the old 6.5 on the Richter scale that actually sent the fax going.
Oh shit! Funny games.
Yeah, that's lovely.
If you ever need some house security.
Yeah.
You could set up a security. Put the SAS out of business.
Yeah. Take the hurricanes off. Tom Carling security.
On there.
Oh, that's just
Brilliant. That is cracking.
Lovely. The Hoover. I've got it. Hey, Jed, you got to see this, mate. You got to see this and make a comment on that there. The Hoover there.
Yeah. Jed, you know, could you lend him your tight Elvis suit for the next time some burglars come round? Because he could put on the tight Elvis suit and attack them with a Hoover.
Yeah.
They wouldn't come back in a hurry.
That was lovely.
And beautiful moment.
Right, what are we on to?
Anyway, yeah.
That's
sorry.
it, isn't it?
Yeah.